Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can set up shipping settings for your Wix website. So what you want to do is you're gonna be here. So you want to click on settings, and then you're gonna see store shipping. And when you're gonna be in store shipping, you're gonna see shipping and fulfillment, and you're gonna see shipping regions here. So we want to add a region, and now you're gonna see region, add the destinations in this region. And you want to add, like, choose Afghanistan, Albania, Bulgaria, and Angola, whatever, right? And then you're gonna see like select how shipping rates are calculated in this region, and you can be like flat rate, rate by weight, rate by price. That's like really up to you. And now you're gonna see like free shipping right here, and delivery time you can go like 5 business days and rate 0, right? And you can also allow store pickup if you want to. And then just like click save, and then we got it here. And you can simply edit the shipping rule or whatever. And this is pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching. And have a great day. And goodbye.